Heat transfers are a fun way to update your clothing with motifs, names, quotes and more. Heat transfers can be easily applied at home and you don't need any fancy equipment, just an iron, an ironing board and some baking or parchment paper. First, decide where you want your transfer to go. If you want to centralise a large transfer, as seen here, fold your garment in half lengthways, lining up the shoulder and side seams, and lightly press the centre front line to form a crease as a guideline. Lay out your garment on your ironing board and place your transfer on top, making sure you're happy with the placement. Turn your iron on and switch it to a 2-dot or medium heat setting, with absolutely no steam. Carefully place baking paper on top of your heat transfer. Take the iron and place it down on your design for 12 seconds. Repeat if needed across your transfer to make sure you've covered the entire design. You don't want any loose corners peeling up. Wait for your design and garment to cool completely and peel off the transfer paper with one smooth motion. And there you are, your garment is ready to show off.